What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. Happy Monday. We're going to go over Solana, currently sitting at 148. We're down 0.34 on the day. Market cap 76 billion, 24 volume 3.23 billion. So we have a nice 5 waves off the low here. We are pushing into resistance, as you can see. So if we do end up pulling back from here, your zone to watch is in between 106 and 121. Your next major resistance is up about 187. So if we just to see a nice push from here, then you could push up to that target. However, I wouldn't be surprised to see some pullback, as we already have a beautiful 5 waves off the low. So if that does happen, just look for a bounce in between 121 and 106. If we look at the daily chart, you can see we're just about to print the bullish cross, just as we did here. Maybe I can find another larger example. Yeah, so here we had the bullish cross. What is this, 2023 October, and you can see it just led to an absolutely massive pump to the upside. So once again, we're just printing that bullish cross. And if we look at the weekly chart, we're right underneath the EMAs, the 20 and the 55. So if we can get back above those weekly EMAs, you see the bullish cross on the weekly, massive sign of strength and a sign that the correction is over. So that's what we're looking at for Solana. This is the zone to watch if we pull back from here, and your next major resistance is at 187. We are currently in a trade for Ethereum. If you want completely free access to my trading group, all you have to do is take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to BITUNIX. That's it. No KYC, no VPN. Once you've signed up, send me email. That's it. Super easy. I'll send you a link, lifetime access to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, as well as my exact trade setups. We're in a trade for Ethereum. You can see what I'm invested in when I'm taking my profits. We have almost 3,000 members. All you have to do, take 30 seconds, sign up to BITUNIX, send me email. That's it. All links down below. Go check them out. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.